Young lady, that's not appropriate. Olive, what are you doing? You're supposed to be a ladylike. That's not very ladylike. God, dude. Banjo, this is your fault, dude. This is you and your fucking coconut on the bottom of your cage's fault. God damn it. My sweet little girl, look what you turned her into. God damn it. You fucking humper. Allie, you cut it out, dude. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, Banjo. What are you thinking over there, buddy? Yeah. Fucking weirdo. Fucking weirdo birds. Allie. You're a lady. You ladylike. Oh my god. Allie. Allie. What are you doing, dude? What are you doing, you weirdo bird? You gotta be a lady. You gotta be a good lady. You gotta be a good girl. Huh? You gotta keep your legs closed. Huh? You're just a baby. Fucking weirdo.